today to watch this short video. I'm Pete Seyler, a member of the business development team here at Integrated Capital Management. And today I'm joined by Mike Paciotti, Chief Investment Officer and co-founder of Integrated Capital Management. Mike, thanks for joining us.
Glad to be here.
So for the benefit of everyone watching this short video, can you tell us a little bit about the origins of iCM and ultimately who we are as an organization?
Sure. Let me break this into parts. Integrated Capital Management, or ICM, is a 13-year-old, $1.4 billion boutique asset manager. So since our beginning, we've served the needs of our advisor partners and their clients by trying to make the world of finance simple through the science of math and data. So our approach to investing is centered around advanced mathematics, precise systems, and data analysis, something that we refer to as scientific investing. Now, this quantitative process, coupled with our valuation-based investment philosophy, allows us to create a range of portfolios to fit a whole variety of investor needs, which we deliver to advisors through a series of risk-based ETF, mutual fund, and our very popular closed-end fund strategies. Now, culturally, we're very much an academic organization that's intently focused on what we do and knowing that better than anyone else. But we also take great pride in our approachability. So we have many advisor relationships that are going on 20-year relationships at this point. These are folks that know everyone in our organization and are not only valued partners, but are friendships that have been built over 2 decades of demonstrating really a certain character, work ethic, and trust.
Great. I love how you outline that. And, as CIO, though, how would you describe how we're building portfolios?
Sure. So I mentioned a moment ago, we're academics, quantitative researchers with the goal of making the complex world of finance and investing simple through the science of math and data. So we don't invest on hunches, gut instincts, or even our collective experiences. Those are really characteristics that are subject to emotional responses and biases that can lead you astray. So everything that we do is quantifiable and statistically provable. Now, it doesn't mean that we're always right, but statistically, we place clients' portfolios in a position for the best probability for success. And this involves some very straightforward core beliefs. So first, valuations matter. Whether it's a stock, a bond, or in your private life, a private business, or a rental property, the price that you pay impacts your future return. Second, everything important in investing exhibits a mean reverting quality. So whether that's a fundamental valuation or a closed-end fund premium or discount, mean reversion can add or subtract from performance. And third, and probably most importantly, know what you own and why you own it, and know that better than really anybody else.
Great. So you've seen, as we have in the business development side, a trend over the last several years of investment managers really all gravitating toward the same concepts, similar ideas. In the world of sameness, how would you define how ICM sets itself apart from its competitors?
So I think there are a few ways. I mentioned this earlier. Culture and character really sets us apart. We're immensely approachable and pride ourselves in that. We've developed 20-year plus relationships with many advisor partners. By spending time with them and their clients and sharing with them our views on our way of doing things, while simultaneously acknowledging that ours might be a highly effective way to invest, but there are others. So we're pretty candid in that regard. Every approach, including our own, has its ups and downs. I think our clients and partners value us for our approachability, our expertise, and most importantly, academic integrity, even if that doesn't benefit us financially. Now, second, from a product perspective, our size is an advantage when bringing new ideas to market. So you might be thinking, we're this tiny little firm, how is size an advantage? While other giants require large, quickly scalable ideas to bring product to market, we only require it to be effective as an investment solution. So sadly, many great ideas never see the light of day at some of the larger complexes because of this. In an environment where it's easiest to sell product by showing where it's been, We skate to where the puck is going. So, in as much as we enjoyed it, valuations in the US are as expensive now as they've been at any point in the last 140 years. So, what do you do if the US gives you zero for the next decade? You better have another idea. So, for us, our closed end fund strategies were built with this environment in mind and were designed not only to survive, but to thrive by harnessing small sources of return or building blocks and stacking them up until they become meaningful. As of March 31st, our flagship TIE strategy, since its inception nearly 6 years ago, had delivered a near double-digit rate of return on a portfolio of only 40% stocks, with half the risk of the S&P, ranking number 12 out of 412 managers in its peer group. So by being academically honest and developing products before they become popular, not after, our clients win, our advisors win, and we win right along with them.
Great. Love how you outline that. But here is going to be the opportunity of a lifetime. You're going to get to become an honorary member of the business development team here at ICM. And for the benefit of the advisors watching this video, where can they find ICM's portfolios?
Okay, so surprisingly, since I would gather we're far from a household name, we are actually in a lot of different places, direct to custodians, Envestnet, Orion Portfolio Solutions, and the like. So for purposes of reaching us, you could also do that in a variety of ways through social media. We're really active there, or really anyone on our sales team is always available to assist.
Great, Mike. Thank you again for joining us. It's been great spending some time here today. And as Mike mentioned, if you want to reach out and talk to us here at ICM, our sales and business development teams are happy to connect. We can be reached at 888-426-4689 or at info@icm-institutional.com. And we're happy to meet with advisors throughout the day. Mike, again, thank you. It's been great spending time with you here in this virtual environment. We appreciate you taking time. And again, any questions, 888-426-4689, info@icm-institutional.com. Thank you.